How y'all doing? CJ Moto, and I'm here with my friend Ying Lang and August. August, come here. Say hi. Here, talk into this. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Say hi. Can you say something? Well, we got to test the quiet. You want to say something? She ain't having it. We got to test the quietness of the new microphone that I got. But anyhow, I just painted up a new body. This is the lead finger racing body for the EB 48.4. I did the light blue Tamiya paint like this. I'm pretty excited. I'm just going to throw some Phantom stickers on it. And of course, AKA Racing. And some Tekin. Just keep it simple. Yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about bodies here. I think it's cool that people like to get their bodies custom painted and stuff, but like this body costs like $20, I think, and the can of paint's $5 or whatever. And I'm all about spending money, but I would much rather spend it. And comment in the comments below what you think, but I would much rather spend the money on. Money's not unlimited, you know, everybody's got so much of it, and I'd rather spend it on good electronics, servos, fluids, diff fluids. I'd rather spend it on $500 radios. I'd rather spend it on a lot of things. Diff fluids, like make sure you have all the diff fluids. If you got an EB 48.4, you should have 10K, 5K, 7K diff fluids at the very least, and then of course all your shot fluids. I would say 5, 10, and 7, and you can get by pretty well. But back to my point at hand, I'd spend it on a lot of things. I could sell this radio for $400, $450, no problem. Maybe someone even thinks I made it look really cool, and spends more. You have to have tires, so I'd spend it on tires, wheels, all that. But bodies, I'm sorry, I'll probably never spend it $50, $60, $70 to send one of these off and have somebody paint it for me, because I think that this looks cool. Like, I splattered some paint on that one. I think it looked cool. I think this looks pretty freaking cool, and I was able to do it myself, and anybody could do this. It's not a big deal. Another quick piece of advice for bodies is get you some, I mean, this is just what I use, but it works very well. It's white Gorilla Tape. So get that, and you actually, after you're done painting your body, put it all over the inside of there. And this actually broke off. The front tip broke off. But if that hadn't happened, this body has like at least 20 hours on it. So anyhow, that's just my little spiel about bodies. You don't have to agree. I'm sure a lot of you won't. Tell me why you think that you need to spend 70, I don't know, how much is it? I'm not even sure. I think it's between $60 and $80 to get a body painted. $60 and $80 to get one of these little Lexan bodies painted. That is money you will not recuperate. Ever. You won't get any of it back unless you like sit the body on a shelf somewhere and then resell it. It's just gonna get beat up, it's gonna get cracked, it's gonna break. I don't think it looks any less cool just to have a white body, and this one's dirty as can be, but I mean it's just solid white with some stickers on it, and it looks fine. Anyhow, there's a lot of money to be spent in RC, and we all spend it on different things. So just leave in the comments if you think that bodies are worth the money to get them painted professionally. If you do, then cool, you know, everyone's entitled to their own opinion, right? So I hope y'all enjoyed this little podcast about that, and I've got so much stuff up here under this AKA hat that I can throw at y'all. So just stay tuned, please subscribe. I've got the cool microphone with the Phantom sticker on it because I listened to y'all and people were telling me that my audio sucked. So I think that's something that a lot of YouTubers run into, and now mine's better. Anyhow, I'll talk to y'all later. CJ Moto out. Until next time. Don't hit your head on your mic.